A convicted child rapist at the center of the controversial elderly parole law found himself back in front of a judge today. He's facing new charges from 1996. The state paroled David Funston from his 3 life sentences, but as he walked out of state prison, he was rearrested for the Placer County charge. KCRA 3's Michelle Bandor was in court today for his arraignment. Michelle, what happened?
Well, Curtis, 64-year-old David Funston actually waived his arraignment today. That is the first step in facing criminal charges. His lawyer needs to get up to speed on the 20-year-old case and hasn't seen those police reports from 1996. Now, Funston did appear in court. He answered the judge's questions, saying he understood his constitutional rights and that he will make his official first appearance next week. Funston is making headlines because the state parole board found him, quote, suitable for release, saying he did not pose an unreasonable risk. He became eligible due to his age. California law says if criminals turn 50 and serve 20 years or turn age 60 and serve 25 years of their sentence, they can be considered for elderly parole. Funston, who received those 3 life sentences in 1999, now faces a charge of sexually assaulting a child under the age of 10 in Roseville in 1996.
Why wasn't this case charged in 1996?
Well, at the time, Mr. Funston was already being prosecuted and convicted and sentenced to life sentences. And in those days, life sentences meant just that, life sentences. So that's sort of what the thought process was back then, was why go through all of the resources, why put another victim through it when this ordeal had just concluded with a end result that everyone was satisfied with, but the statute of limitations allows us to continue to prosecute.
And Geyer says the alleged victim will be part of this case as it proceeds through the system. For now, Funston's being held without bail at the Placer County Jail, and he will be back for his first appearance next Monday. The case, though, is hitting a nerve with the community. Coming up at 6, I speak with one woman who showed up to court today saying she'll do her part in making sure Funston stays behind bars.
Well, Michelle, if he's convicted in this case, what does he face?
Yeah, he could get a maximum of 8 years, and the district attorney says more charges could come as this proceeds. His office hasn't heard from other possible victims, but says they're always open to hearing from the community.
And our coverage on this has